Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. I hope you like the hair. It looked better before. I had actually curled it in some really cute and tight curls, but then I decided to go out for a walk and I lost all my curls. So I'm a little bit upset, but I think it still looks okay. But it would just look nicer with the curls. Sorry for my nose, I still have a kind of a blocked nose. Sorry for my voice, not my nose. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's get straight into the Zara haul. The next thing that I got was a black dress. I love my black dresses because, I don't know, I just love black dresses. They're just, you know, a staple in your wardrobe. So it's a really fun kind of black dress. I bought this before and I wore it wrong. So this time I'm going to have a look at the model, how the model is wearing it. I think it's supposed to be one shoulder, like this is supposed to be on one shoulder if I'm correct. This was a size small and it's $25.99. Material is super stretchy and it is a good material. It is nice and thick, if you can see that. Oh, I am so sorry for my voice. I really wanted to do this video though, so I do apologize that I'm sounding a bit groggy. But yeah, a cute little black dress. You can wear it so many different places. Ooh, here is that lovely little black dress on. Ooh, you can wear this out to a date, girls, and just make that guy think, damn, oh, she dressed up for me. She looks good. This is a really nice dress. I like the cutout on here. Something a little quirky and fun. Gives it a little je ne sais quoi. It feels great on. Material quality, as usual, is really good. Like, other retailers would really hike the price of this, but Zara has a decent pricing for this one. How much was it? $25.99. Oh, that's a really good steal. Like, other retailers sell it for like 40 quid, so you are getting a really good quality item for a decent price. But yeah, love it. Think it looks great on me. And it does feel really comfy on. Next up, another suit, but this time it's a bit more casual, a bit more fun. So you kind of got this like jogger effect, and then in this beautiful satin print, you got the black, and then you got the red and the blue. Really nice, soft satin. Material is really good as well. Zara material satin is really nice. It's nice enough that it's not see-through, but it is still nice and light. It's going to let a lot of air in and be really good for spring. Got the trousers in a size extra small and they were $39.99. And then the top is kind of like a nice light blazer, slightly padded on the shoulders. You got a nice black effect here, and then you got the pattern going all the way around, and then you got the black satin inside as well. But look at that pattern, look at the back of that, how gorgeous, really nice, love that. Got this in a size extra small, $79.99. That is expensive, I'm not gonna lie, that is really expensive considering it's not a proper blazer like that one that we had before. Ooh. So you have to decide whether you're willing to spend that kind of money. That is a personal decision. Long sleeves, really nice and pretty. This feels very silk pajama-esque. If you want to be risque, you could just, you know, wear it like this. Put some nipple covers just to be on the safe side, like be all stylish with a nice little necklace, you know, really rock it. But it feels good on, very, it's just really nice. I love the pattern of it. Like really over the top though, like, but it's nice. Let me show you the back. And then cover up myself and show you the joggers. So they have a nice elastic, keep your waist all nice, and that beautiful print, making me look all curvy. Ooh, I like it. But yeah, I really like this. I think it's a really nice little outfit. On the pricey side, but it's up to you whether you want to spend the coin or not. Next up, I got some more sparkles because I'm a sparkly girl. It's my personality. I got a big personality and sparkles just remind me of me. So I got a little sparkle crop top. Don't know where I'm going to wear it, but I'll find somewhere to wear it. I got it in a size small and it's $19.99. Great material. Like, it is a thick material. It's not thin at all. Super nice and stretchy. These have been glued on, so you have to be careful. I wouldn't advise you putting this in the washing machine. I would advise you to hand wash it inside out, because you don't want to ruin those gems. They will come off in the washing machine. The washing machine is powerful for a reason. But this little croppy is so cute. And I would personally style it up with the leather skirt that I got from Zara last time. Here is that sequin top on. Although it is beautiful, it's just not as nice as that beautiful embroidery gem and pearl one. It's just not doing it for me because I prefer that one, and there's no point me having both of them because this one will just not be worn, the other one will be worn all the time. But it's really still pretty, and I would be able to style it up well, but I want the other one. So this one is unfortunately a no for me, but it's super comfortable and great quality. Let me show you the back as well. Next up, I got something a bit more different. I really loved the look of this online. Oh my god, I'm making a mess as usual. So it is a super long dress, and then it's kind of got this deep V, and then you got this kind of black detail on the sides there. You've got a wraparound belt with the same detail with the stitching. It looks like it's been like embroidered on or like stitched on, but I don't know really. Seems like a lot of work. I'm not sure how that's been put on, but it's just a nice little detail with the black, I guess, stitching effect. Really nice. Super long dress, as I said. That stitching just continues on. The material is a really like, it's nice and soft, and it's got a nice thickness to it. It is going to keep you nice and warm in this season. I got this dress in a size small and it's $29.99. It looked really nice online. It's nice and different. It looks really casual and comfy. I think I can wear it to work and also just when I'm out. And yeah, I just love the material of it. It's just a really, I don't even know what this material is called, but it's just soft and nice, and it's got a nice thickness to it. Although this dress is really gorgeous, it's just not on me. It doesn't suit me. Maybe someone who's a lot taller than me would suit this. Yeah, it's just not doing anything for me. I think it's making my figure look worse than it is. Wait, my figure's nice, but it just doesn't really like, I don't know, show off my figure in a good light. I think it's better off for someone who's taller, and yeah, it's just not for me, but it's super beautiful. Love the material. It feels so soft on. So I would still really recommend it. Sorry for my shortness of breath. I keep coughing and then I try to like cut it out for you guys so you don't have to hear me dying. A blazer and trousers combination suit from Zara. It's in this deep green. I love the colour because I just think it's just really different. It's really something that you wouldn't really be expecting someone to wear. People don't really, you know, look for this colour. It's just really, it's a standout colour without being really bright and bold, because not everyone wants to be wearing yellow and orange and red and pink. I think this is a really good colour for someone who wants to be, you know, sophisticated, bossy and stylish, but not, you know, centre of attention with bright colours. Really great quality. It's got padding on the shoulders. You've got long sleeves. The buttons at the back. It really reminds me of those blazers from school. Do you remember the ones that we used to wear like in high school, secondary school? It really reminds me of that. I think because the colour of it. I used to have one that was blue, but I remember another school had a green one. So we do have pockets on the side. We have to make our own holes into that. And then we've got some cute little buttons that are black. I got this in a size extra small. It is an expensive item. It's $89.99. Oh, I know, but it's good quality. I can trust you that it is really good quality and it will last you. You're not going to keep this item for like a year or two. You're going to keep it for a good 4, 5, even 6 years. so you're paying for that quality. You're paying for Zara as well, the brand, but quality really. And the trousers are really simple trousers that are really kind of standard Zara style when it comes to the suits. They always keep them really quite nice and basic. And then you've got a little bit of a flare at the bottom. Again, quality is good. It's nice and thick. You can wear this suit all year round. Maybe not so much in the summertime because it might get a little bit too hot, but on those kind of cool summer days you can still wear it. And you can wear it in winter, even this season. You know, just wear a nice coat. Got the trousers in a size extra small, but I think last time I got an extra small they were just a little bit too tight around like the bum, but then the waist is perfect. So I think next time I might try and get the small. The reason why I got these all the Zara stuff that I got in in one bulk order, so that's why everything was like extra small. But I may try to get a small and see how that feels. Ooh, feeling very businesswoman-like. Yes, I love this. The color is just gorgeous, isn't it? It's stunning. My little shirt pulling out. Yeah, you know, if you're a businesswoman or just a woman that likes to wear suits, like this is stunning. It is super long for me. I'm 5'3", so I would have to wear heels. I'll probably wear my thigh-high boots underneath that give me a good height. But yeah, it fits really well on me. Got the nice shoulders. Ooh, let's clean this up a little bit. The color is very I don't know, it's a nice color, but it just reminds me of school. Like, it reminds me of like wearing a blazer at school. Love the buttons. You could unbutton the shirt even more if you wanted to. Show off a little more. Make it a bit more casual, you know? Less professional. But yeah, cute. And then the trousers, typical Zara trousers. Nice little zip. You got hooks on the side. And then, as usual, they're too long for me. They fit a lot better. Fit really good. Love the suit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I am sorry for my voice, that I have a cold. I still wanted to record and still bring you out some good content. So please give it a like for me because I'm ill. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do better videos where my nose is not like all funny and I'm not talking all funny and I have a bit more energy. And follow me on Instagram. My name is Payda101 because I want to see all your little beautiful faces. And yeah, see you soon.